Got a 2015 Hyundai Genesis. We're going to be replacing the turn signal bulb. Alright, in order to replace the turn signal bulb, we need to first take this part off. All we got to do is turn it counterclockwise. And once that's out, just put it aside. And right here, as you can see, there is the bulb. Just simply turn it counterclockwise as well. And that'll come out. To take it out, you simply press it in and turn it. And that's how it goes out. Now we're going to grab our new one and go on and put it in. Make sure the slots goes into the slots, which is right over here. Press it in, turn it. Now that that's in, go ahead and place it back in. Make sure the tabs are connected, or else it will not go in. Now once that's in, turn it. You're going to hear a click. And just to be safe, give it a slight pull, and that's how you know it's in. Put the cover back on. It's got tabs, locking tabs on it as well. Install and turn. Check that it's properly in, and that's how you do your turn signals.